Hello guys, this is Krishna here. This is 71 tutorial of CATIA series. So in this 71 tutorial I am going to discuss about measure toolbox, measure between tools. So this is the tools like suppose for examples this is the one of the part. So in this part if you want to measure the extrude how much it is length between this point to this point or this surface to another surface, if you want to measure the length or width, so then you can use this measure toolbox and measure tool between, then you can get the value how much distance exactly it is. So this is the one of the way to measure the distance. So here in below you will get the icon somewhere, the measure between. So if you not able to find here measure between, then you can the same way you can go to tools and customize and go to restore the positions and tool bars, then you will get it the all the icons. So now I'm going to expand it or drag it somewhere this place. Yeah, so so keep as it is here. So now I'm going to select this measure tools, measure between. So now here you can able to see the measure between they have distance to measure the point. Here it is any geometric infinite, picking the point only, edge only, surface only, product only, part only, picking axis, intersection, edge limits, arc center, chord center of arc 3 point. So there are several types of selections. So selection 1 and selection 2 you can select and get the value. So now I'm going to use the measurement between this face to another face. So let the select any geometry. So now I'm going to select this face. This is the face 1. Now just cancel it, again activate. Now you can choose this point or this point. Now you can able to see 20 from here to here. So this is the one of the way. So you can go to by point only, just cancel and again activate. Now I'm going to use this point only, and here it is also point only. So now I'll select this point, and this point. So now you can able to see the distance between these 2 points is a 14.502 So this is the one of the way. And again you just activate distance between. Now I'm going to choose the surface only. So select this surface and second surface only. Now just rotate and this surface. So you can able to see the distance between this surface to this surface, 20 So this is the one of the way to measure the distance. So this is called measure toolbox, measure between tools. So there is a several way also, picking the point, intersecting edge. We can select the edge also. For example, just let's activate the measure tools and I will select the edge. So I'm going to select this edge. Now another same second selection, I'm going to select the uh, edge only. So this is the second edge. So now there is a distance between these two is 20 So this is called measure tools. So in next video we'll discuss about this measurement item. So in next video we'll discuss in measurement item. Thank you for watching this video.